Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Crypto India. This is your host Shiv. So we finally crossed 5,000 US dollar mark yesterday, and we are very close to touch 5,000. We are at right now 5,700, so probably very close to touching 6,000 US dollar, probably in a couple of hours or during the day. I'm not sure, but it's definitely gonna touch 6,000 US dollar. So I really want to congratulate each one of you first of all, because all of you have been there with me for quite some time now, uh, and congratulations. And that's what we wanted. So let's hope that the next stop is about 10,000 US dollar at least, and that's going to be in the next 6 months. We already see a lot of predictions, but this is definitely a great time to be into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That's awesome. Let's talk about cryptocurrency market cap right now. So we have the total market cap for the cryptocurrencies right now about 169 US dollar, and Bitcoin dominance is about 56% out of this belongs to Bitcoin alone. So you have Bitcoin at 5,745 US dollar. You have Ethereum at 333. Uh, Litecoin gone up by 13% at $58, which is great. And you have Dash slightly dropped down from 300 to 295 US dollar. You have Neo Coin at 27 US dollar. So the market is just rocking in terms of Bitcoin. Of course, the altcoins are a little bit down, but the Bitcoin is on to the moon. So congratulations to you, all of you, once again. Right, let's talk about this news which was published on yesterday on moneycontrol.com about ATC coin. And we have been talking about ATC coin honestly that it is a possible scam. And to me it really looked like a scam, because when you check their website, uh, there is no there is no description of what product are they building up, right? And there was no blockchain for this, so it's very simple. It was just a website and they were running an MLM plan. So when you get people, you ask them to buy probably 5,000, 10,000, you get certain number of coins, and you get somebody else again. So I don't think I really feel sad for the people who are actually investing into this a scam, who have been investing into the scam, and there was a lot of hype around it. And I and I really feel sad for them. And I don't think it is that difficult to actually differentiate between a real cryptocurrency and a non-real cryptocurrency, a scam like ETC coin. For example, you for Bitcoin, if you talk about, so you may ask, I mean, a lot of people will ask, okay, tell me how do I identify there's so many coins? Okay, just do one thing, simple thing that you can do is, Bitcoin, you have exchanges, you have ZipPay, you have Unocoin, you have CoinSecure, right? You have proper exchanges running in India which are linked with your bank account. So that's the way. I mean, ATC coin, where do you find them? On their own website. This is totally a scam, right? They don't have a blockchain built. So if you, let's say, if you don't understand what is the technology, how to check the development into the protocol, if you have no clue anything about cryptocurrencies, why don't you just stick with 5 to 10 top coins on the coin market cap? You have Ethereum, you have Litecoin, you have Ripple, you have Neo. Stick with the top 5 coins on the coinmarketcap.com. There's no need to invest into that coin or this coin if you don't understand. If you do understand the technology, then you can participate into ICO, which is initial coin offering, right? An initial coin offering, of course, they have a proper team on their website. You can see who are the people who are building this idea, who are the people who are building this product, and what is the problem that they are trying to solve. What will the token be used for? How will this coins will help me, what is the current demand, and what is the development happening into GitHub, and all those things. So I don't think it is really that difficult to identify between what is a real cryptocurrency and what is not a cryptocurrency, which is a scam. And there are too many, by the way, here in India especially. You can find out, in fact, just by looking at their website. Just by looking at their website, you can find out whether it is a scam or it is a real cryptocurrencies. It is that easy. Most of the initial coin offering, you will see you have the proper team, the development team, the CEO, the founder, you have their pictures on the website, and they clearly come out and tell you what are they building up. Now again, investing in ICO is again a risky. Okay, it's not that once you have done all the research, you have done your job, okay, the everything is fine, the GitHub is fine, the idea is great, the product is great, the team is great, but still the things can go wrong. But at least you have done your research, and then you are putting your hard-earned money into it, and you're putting your time into it, but not something like a scam. Just build a website, like we saw Lakshmi Coin, we saw this, we saw build up a website, this is a plan, okay, let's get started. That's not a cryptocurrencies. And in fact, I really am against these cryptocurrencies, because these cryptocurrencies, a lot of people will take this for the Bitcoin. Like the other day, we were reading newspaper, and those authors, they said that Bitcoin and ATC coin, they for them there was no difference between Bitcoin and ATC coin. Really, really important that you educate. It's very important that we educate ourselves in cryptocurrencies technology. It's a new technology, and if you're not educated enough on how to differentiate between the good and bad, there are enough number of people out there to cheat. And it's not only our responsibility, but it is also to save ourselves, but also to save others. And these kind of scam, which I will definitely leave in the link in the description below. So there was a circulation, there was a small picture in circulation on WhatsApp, that there was some seizing of bank account, ATC bank account. But yesterday this came out that ATC coin was offering 10% return per month, lock-in period 8 to 2. Come on, this is not a product, this is a cryptocurrency. You don't sell cryptocurrencies in MLM plans, right? As per ATC coin is an open currency source cryptocurrency. This is all, I mean, these are really, really bad for, and I mean, this really, I really get angry on when seeing these kind of MLM plans or these fake cryptocurrencies which are spoiling the name of cryptocurrency technology and blockchain technology. So one simple advice, that if you don't understand what the cryptocurrencies and everything is, just stick to top 10 on coinmarketcap.com. That's it. I mean, there are risks involved, but at least you are not getting cheated by somebody, right? That's the message. Another thing that I wanted to read out for you guys about the JP Diamond, the CEO of JP Morgan. He said yesterday that he will keep his mouth shut now, and he said that I am done talking about Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, these bankers will definitely try and scare the people about how bad the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are, and especially cases like this, they will definitely give out the example. Look what happened to ATC coin, look what happened to, but they have no clue that's not a cryptocurrency at all. So the message is this, that yes, the bankers will try and scare, but we know what they do. I mean, JP Morgan did buy number of Bitcoins which we all saw on the social media pages. So that's it for now. I would like to hear your thoughts and opinion on what do you think about this ATC coin scam. Do you know about any cryptocurrency scam that you think are the scam? And how do you make people aware? If you think there is a scam, how do you tell people that this is not a real cryptocurrencies, this is a fake cryptocurrency, there is no blockchain, there is no technology? I would like to hear that from you. How do you try your best to educate people on this? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all, and hit the subscribe button if you have not, and I will see you in my next video. See you, take care, have a nice day.